Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Here in IMG, International Marketing Group, knowing all about what is IMG and ano nga ba ito at sino nga ba si IMG. So una po sa lahat, when it comes po sa SEC registration, we are SEC registered po last October 14, 2002 and we have the Insurance Commission here in IMG. So, a global campaign for financial education. Financial literacy campaign 30M by 30. So, by 2030, IMG is aiming for 30 million Filipino families that will be financially educated. So, isa po kayo sa nakapakinig dito and hindi po kayo magtaka kung isa po sa inyo ay nahingian ng email address dahil ipapasok po namin yan sa tracker campaign ng IMG and isa na po kayo sa na-campaign namin about financial literacy. So here in IMG, we have our blue book or ito po yung pinaka-Bible natin dito sa IMG. So, The Secret of Saving and Building Your Future. Dito po natin malalaman and madagdagan po yung knowledge natin when it comes po sa saving and building our future. Ayan. So, when it comes po on building a strong financial foundation, like building a house, you must build it from the ground up, build it right, and build it strong. So, gaya po na isang bahay o isang building, di ba po pag magpapatayo tayo, eh kailangan po nating umpisahan sa pinakababa. Dahil kung hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng pinaka-ground niya o hindi tayo mag-umpisa dun sa ground, ay isang hangin lamang po o isang bagyo o anumang kalamidad ay matitibag at matitibag po yung bahay or building natin. So, again, build it right and build it strong like building a house. So, when it comes naman po on how to build a strong financial foundation, here in IMG, tinuturuan po tayo how to build a strong financial foundation. So, from the ground, we will be starting all about our proper health care. So, pag wala po tayong proper health care, imagine that tatamaan lamang tayo ng isang sakit, ay talagang matitibag at matitibag tayo. Kumbaga sa isang bahay ay makukulaps po. Kasi nga po, yung financial foundation natin ay hindi po natin naitayo ng tama. So, for having a proper health care, ito kasi yung magiging funds natin or mabubunot natin when it comes po na kung sakasakali mang magkakasakit tayo. Dito tayo bubunot ng intended for our healthcare, intended for our health. So, hindi tayo bubunot na lang doon sa investment or savings natin. So, here, next is building our life protection. So, dapat, when it comes on building our financial foundation, we have our life protection. We have our insurance, the money, instant money for your family. Kung talagang mahal mo yung family mo, ay dapat insured ka, especially if you are the breadwinner in the family. Imagine, naka-insured nga ang bahay, naka-insured yung mga sasakyan, kung ano-anong mga naka-insured. But ikaw, how about you? Ikaw mismo ay hindi insured. So whatever happened, kung sakali mang kunin ka ni Lord, walang magiging instant money yung family mo. Ang tendency, pag mawala ka bigla, ay hindi makasustain yung family mo, especially if you are the breadwinner. So, by having your life protection, may money na matatanggap yung family natin na ito po yung, it could help them sustain pag nawala ka. And next is debt management. So, dito po, may mga financial class tayo dito here in IMG, free financial class, wherein dito po tayo tuturuan in IMG paano makawala sa utang or how to eliminate debt. So, napakaganda po talaga ng mga learnings natin dito sa IMG and have an emergency fund. So, kailangan po natin talaga ay magkakaroon tayo ng emergency fund. Like for example, your monthly income is equivalent to 10,000, so you must have your emergency fund equivalent to 6 months of your monthly income. So times 6, you will be having your emergency fund amounting to 60,000. So yan dapat ang magiging emergency fund natin. Wherein dito po tayo bubunot na naman kung sakasakaling may mga emergency. Like for example, major repair of houses, major repair ng sasakyan, or nagkataon na may mga kalamidad na hindi natin inaasahan. So like for example, sa panahon natin ngayon, hindi naman natin ina-expect buong mundo na we will be experiencing this pandemic ng dahil lamang po sa COVID-19, talagang affected po lahat. So, by having your emergency fund, at least may mabubunot tayo kung sakasakaling man magkakaroon na naman ng pandemic in the future, or hindi natin alam kasi ang Panginoong Diyos lang naman ang nakakaalam. And next is you must have to build up your savings and investment. Like for example, ang nabilong po dito sa ating savings and investment, wherein you have your bakery, like for example, or kung ano-anong mapagkakakitaan natin, and you have also your mutual funds, house and lot, property. Ayan, so nabilang po yan sa investment. So, by having your strong financial foundation, if ever magkasakit man tayo, ay hindi tayo matitibag, hindi ka mako-collapse dahil you have your strong financial foundation. If ever magkasakit ka, may healthcare ka na mag-aalaga sa'yo. May healthcare ka na pagbubunutan ng gagamitin mo intended for that. Hindi na kagaya sa iba na, like for example, dahil lamang sa isang sakit, naibenta o naisangla yung bahay at lupa dahil walang proper healthcare. So here in IMG ay talagang tinuturuan tayo how to build a financial foundation. So financial realities, gaya po ng nakasulat sa page 11 ng Blue Book natin, reality number 1, when it comes to securities and saving your future, many good people fail, many hardworking people fail, many smart people fail, many young people fail, many old people fail, many teachers fail, engineers and doctors fail, many end up retiring without enough savings. These people don't set out to fail, they do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances, and they lack of financial education. So, ito naman talaga ang realidad. Napapansin man talaga natin at nakikita natin, ang daming mga matataas ang posisyon, ang daming nag-retire, but they don't have enough savings after all. Kasi nga, they lack of financial education. So here in IMG, dito natin matutunan kung how to retire in a right way and how to prepare your retirement plan, your retirement savings. So napakaganda po dito sa IMG. And reality number 2, choosing the right healthcare, according to page 33 to 34. In the Philippines, a lot of people die not because a lot of sick people die rather, not because there is no medicine or treatment available, but because they don't have money to pay for this cost. So, ganun man talaga yung health situation natin dito sa Philippines. Ang daming namamatay dahil nga po sa not enough money or hindi na paghandaan yung proper health care. Hindi nila pinahalagahan having a long-term health care. So, there are types of healthcare. The short-term healthcare is known as the traditional HMO. Generally, it has no life insurance coverage. There may be yearly increase of premium upon renewal. However, renewal is not guaranteed, especially when there are high claims. HMOs cover only up to age 60 and there is no return of premiums for the non-utilization. So, yan naman talaga ang realidad dito sa Philippines when it comes po sa HMO. We have our short-term healthcare. Like for example, sabihin natin connected ka ngayon sa isang company and you have your HMO, you are having your contribution. But if hindi ka po magkasakit, ay mauuwi po sa wala yung contribution na yon. And pag hindi ka na po connected sa company, ay hindi ka na rin po covered ng healthcare. So, yun po yung short-term HMO o healthcare natin sa isang company. So, sabihin natin, we have our PhilHealth. So, actually, ang PhilHealth naman po ay ilang percent lang ang makakover if ever magkasakit ka, and hindi lahat ng sakit ay covered. And hindi po ito guaranteed yung annual renewal, and hanggang 60 years old lang po, and no accumulation of funds. So, tapon ang ipon mo kasi we are giving our contribution monthly or quarterly, but if hindi po tayo magkakasakit, ay matatapon lang po yun. So, sayang yung mga naging contribution natin doon. Di ba po? So, when it comes naman po sa long-term healthcare, this is an HMO with a health savings account. It has a fixed premium program, usually 7 years. So, 7 years lang po yan, take note, which matures in 20 years. It comes with a 4-way insurance coverage together with a long-term healthcare plan. Renewal is guaranteed, and all unused health fund accumulates with interest, and it may cover beyond age 60 with a long-term care growth. So, napakaganda po ng long-term healthcare. This is also a form of investment, and napakaganda po kasi even you're beyond 60, covered ka po, even the different illnesses or dreaded diseases ay covered. So, hindi po pili lang. Kumbaga, lahat po ay sagot po ng long-term healthcare. So, it is an investment and generates income. You will having your investment, let money works for you, and napakaganda kasi your family is also protected. You have the protection for your family. Whatever happens, if mawala man tayo dito sa mundo, may instant money po yung family natin. And if ever na magkakasakit ka, ay may mag-aalaga sa'yo, wala ka nang alalahanin if magkasakit ka dahil may long-term health care. And if you live too long, sabihin natin sa awa ng Diyos ay umabot tayo ng 80 or 90 plus yung edad natin. So, you have your going investment, hindi natin po problemahin kung ano yung magiging pambili natin ng pagkain or maintenance natin or vitamins, or like for example, may mag-aalaga sa atin, pwede tayong mag-hire ng caregiver or nurse dahil we have our passive income, we have our investment, it generates income na wherein doon po natin nag-accumulate, nagko-compound, nag-i-interest po yung savings natin. And imagine that you will be only saving for 7 years and you will be covered and protected for the rest of your life. So, napakaganda po nitong long-term health care. So, we have also our senior care. It is also the same as short-term, but for 60 above, mahal, and napakamahal nito. No guarantee if ma-approve dahil sa mga existing illness, no insurance, and no accumulation of funds. So, this type of healthcare works similarly to short-term coverage, except that covers age 61 and beyond, and increase the premium every 10 years, but it has a lot of limitations, covers up to age 100. So, here are the benefits when you will become an IMG membership benefits. So, if you are international coded, like for example, isang OFW po tayo, up to 48 benefits po. You will be having your worldwide protection. So, napakaganda po. Ang dami pong benefits. And if you are here in the Philippines, we are be having our membership benefits 1 to 39. So, hindi na po tayo lugi dito dahil sa ating pagpa-member ay ang dami po nating benefits. So, i-highlight ko lamang po yung ibang benefits natin dito dahil kung isa-isahin ko po ito ay aabutan tayo ng ilang hours po. So, ito nga po, you will be having your vision care. So, yearly po yan, free eye check-up, and may free po tayong 2 eyeglasses per year. So, napakaganda, di pa po? And, you will also have your free e-books. Yun nga po, yung pinaka-blue book natin, yung pinaka-Bible natin dito sa IMG. And you will be also having your auto program, like for example, may plano tayong bibili ng sasakyan, cash or installment po yan, makaka-discount po tayo ng 70k to 140k discount lang po yan. At hindi na tayo makokomisyonan ng isang ahente dahil lahat po dito, one-stop shop na po dito sa IMG. Ano man ang ating mga bibilihin na real estate, condo unit, lot, house and lot, discounted po tayo. Very huge discount. Napakalaking discount. And also, automatic po, if you are a member of IMG, automatic po tayong shareholder ng mga blue chip companies here. And automatic po yung 1,000 natin ay magiging initial savings investment ko po doon sa mutual funds. And yun po ay magiging long-term investment din natin, and it will earn annually 12 to 18%. So, napakaganda po dito. And you will be having your zero-free entry po if ever mag-purchase tayo again ng shares, minimum of 500 pesos only, ay buo po yung 500, hindi na po yan makakaltasan dahil hindi po tayo dadaan sa mga ahente. And also, you have your 100 to 300,000 insurance, Manila Bankers po yan. And you have also your Fidelity Insurance. You will be having also your Everest. So, kung sakasakaling may mahal tayo sa buhay na nais nating tulungan dahil may kapamilya tayo sa malayong lugar at nawalan din po ng mahal sa buhay. So, dahil pandemic tayo, hindi tayo makabiyahe, sa pamamagitan nitong Everest, pwede nating sabihin na tawagan natin yung Everest, and yung Everest na po ang bahala doon sa nawalan ng mahal sa buhay, and makatulong din po tayo dahil sila na po ang bahala doon, sila na po ang magko-connect sa pinakamalapit na gagawa ng mga services doon, and discounted po yung mahal natin sa buhay. So, nakatulong po tayo, di ba? So, here in IMG, eto po, if you will become a member of IMG, automatic po yan. Antayin lamang po natin, magkakaroon tayo ng portal. Pwede mong ma-access on your own cellphone, tablet, laptop, desktop, anywhere, anytime. So, this would be our dashboard. And nandito nga po yung mga benefits natin. So, online na po tayo lahat. Online transaction, isang click lamang po natin dyan, ma-access na po natin lahat. And, ang maganda po kasi, we have also our new cash. So, if member po tayo ng IMG, kung may GCash po si Globe, ay may new cash naman po tayo. And you have also your free unlimited consultation, free unlimited check-up po sa Kaiser Medical Center. And you will have also your Dominate tool. Ang dami po nating ma-access po dito sa ating portal, and ma-monitor din po natin dito yung mutual funds natin, yung savings investment natin sa Soldivo Funds, wherein doon po natin ma-access yung yung investment or savings. So here in Kaiser International Health Group, ang Kaiser po is under PAMOK. So, what is PAMOK? So, PAMOK means Philippine Association of Health Maintenance Organization Companies. So, Kaiser is part of PAMOK, and PAMOK is created by President Duterte to enhance or to regulate HMO in the Philippines. And take note, no HMO in the Philippines na nag-collapse po. So, here in IMG, as an exclusive broker of Kaiser, ang Kaiser po, ang Medical Director and President of Kaiser, which is also the Vice Chairman of PAMOK, Dr. Leia Uy Yolo. So, may dalawang katanungan lamang po tayo sa buhay natin. What if I die too soon? Who will take care of your family? And what if I live too long? who will take care of me? So, ikaw, kaibigan, naitanong mo na ba yan on yourself? Kung ngayon pa lang o hindi mo pa naitanong yan, so andito po tayo ngayon, andito, matutunan natin, masasagot na yung mga tanong natin sa sarili natin kasi dalawa lang naman ang patutunguhan natin dito sa mundo. What if I die too soon or what if I live too long? Rather. So, the solution for that, if I die too soon, is the life insurance instant money na matatanggap po ng family natin kung sakasakaling kunin man ni Lord, especially the breadwinner ng family, at talagang kailangan po talaga na magkaroon tayo ng life insurance. Ito po yung makakatulong to sustain ng kapamilya natin na maiwan natin pag mawala. Okay? And what if I live too long? Solution is investment and the long-term care. Money working for you. So here in IMG, as an exclusive broker of Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, andito na po lahat yung 3 major financial needs natin to complete our strong financial foundation. We have the investment, andito na po, to generate continuing income for you when you retire, letting money work for you. So, hindi na natin problemahin yung retirement days natin. Income protection or life insurance, ito po yung life insurance instant money ng family natin na mag-aalaga sa kanila to protect ng family natin, to protect your family if you die too soon. Life insurance protection can help you replace your income, help finance your children's education, pay estate tax, pay debt instantly, and you will have your life insurance, yun nga po, instant money for the family. Healthcare, ito naman, if I live too long, ang sagot po dito, you have your healthcare to provide you healthcare when you retire or when you stop working. Someone to take care of you when you get old. How comfortable is your healthcare situation after age 60, di ba? And of course, it depends on a decision you make today. So what if I could tell you about a product that provides complete solution to your 3 major financial needs? So ito na po yung Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Nasagot na po yung how to build a strong financial foundation. And here in Kaiser, sasampol ko lamang po sa inyo ang Plan K100. So, you will be saving only for 7 years. So, 1 to 7 years. So, like for example, yung ano po natin is 22 years old and until 29 years old lamang po siya magsisave. And you will be protected for the rest of your life. Diba? So, during the accumulation period, like for example, this K100 plan, you will be having the benefits. Number 1 benefit, you will have your annual physical exam, the basic 5 APE coverage, like for example, blood pressure, fecalysis, urinalysis, CBC, blood count, BCG, pap smear for female. Yan, so you can avail that benefit. The dental benefits, unlimited dental check-ups, unlimited simple tooth extraction once a year, free dental prophylaxis, cementation of jacket, gowns, inlays, unlays, and minor adjustment of denture. So, ma-avail po natin yan dito. And the waiver of installment due to death or credit life. Like for example, sabihin natin, nakapag-save ka ng 1 year and nawala ka dito sa mundo. So, automatic po yan, fully paid na po yung plan natin and may matatanggap pong instant money ang family na naiwan and the primary beneficiary ay mako-continue or matransfer sa kanya yung long-term health care. So, napakaganda. Ang ipon mo dito ay hindi matatapon. Napakaganda. Magagamit pa din po ng kapamilya mong naiwan. And the waiver of installment due to disability if ever as a plan holder or a policy holder, if ever ma-disable ka po, so, siyempre, you cannot have your active income na kasi nga disable na tayo. So, automatic po yan kahit ilang months o sabihin natin 1 year pa lang po kayo nakapag-save, automatic na po yan, fully paid na po yung 7 years na savings natin and antay na lang po tayo for the maturity period. So, napakaganda po dito dahil napakalaking tulong talaga ng ating Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So, here you have your basic medical benefits, the member choice of room and board, annual benefit limit of 60,000, and term life from accumulation until the 20th year, accidental death and dismemberment from accumulation until the 20th year, lifetime network access to over 500 hospitals and over 1,000 doctors as long as you have funds. On the extended period also, you have your hospitalization or inpatient benefits, consultation, maternity, pre-existing illnesses, and the hidden diseases, investment benefits at 10% compounding interest po yan will be based on plan type. So, if ever na hindi po tayo nagkasakit o hindi po natin nagamit yung long-term care natin, within 7 years, the return of premium is higher, which is 85% po, ibabalik po yan sa'yo as bonus. So, napakaganda dahil ito nga po palagi, inuulit-ulit ko po ang ipon na hindi natatapon. So, during the maturity period, your maturity value will be 1,166,169 based on plan type K100. The monthly will be 5,882, and if you want to avail it in annual, you will be discounted to 2 months. So, magiging 58,000 plus na lang po yung annual natin if you want to avail the annual. So, here in Kaiser, you have also the longer accumulation which result in more cash accumulation, 13 years extended, and the yearly health bonus, additional health benefits on top of yearly health benefits. So, during the 7 years of savings, on the 7th year, a start of extended period, it will starting on the 8th year, your savings will earn an interest of 10% equivalent to 10,000 yearly until the 20th year. So, ayan nga po, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, if di mo nagamit, so from 10,000 to 21,000 up to 269,750, your accumulated bonus yearly will be 466,419, total yearly health benefits of 716,000 plus na pwede mong magamit. So, the start of long-term care period, like for example, if here in the extended benefit balance, when the member reaches 65 years old, the accumulated benefits bonus at 65 years old will be 10,442,224, or you will be having your passive income, your annual lifetime health care at age 65 will be 1,044,222.40. So, napakaganda po nitong Kaiser Long-Term Health Care. So, here po, naka-age bracket po tayo. Like, for example, you belong to between 10 to 40 years old. So, your monthly will be 2,647. But if you want to avail the most ideal plan, the K100, even if you belong to the 10 to 40 years old, you can have your monthly income 5,882, which has the maturity value of 1,116,168. So, here in our blue book, page 99, take action na po tayo, you will always have an excuse not to save or invest no matter what your excuse is. One thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year, no matter what your excuse is. Your child will grow up and enter college, and you would need money for his or her education. And no matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. So, yun nga po, kahit anumang excuses yung gagawin or sabihin natin, remember, bawat taon po ay nadadagdagan ang ating edad at hindi po tayo pabata ng pabata. Tayo pong lahat ay patanda ng patanda. So, sabihin natin, ay ang mahal naman yan. Saan po ba ang mas mahal? Mas mahal pa po ang magkasakit ka na wala kang healthcare. Imagine, pagtatamaan tayo ng isang sakit lang, ay talagang makokolaps at makokolaps yung financial foundation natin kung hindi po natin nabuo dahil sa isang sakit lang. Maisangla or ibebenta natin ang ilan sa properties natin na wala sa panahon. Ang iba nga ibebenta na lang in the lower price na supposed to be. It will appreciate, but ang labas ay na-depreciate po yung price dahil nga po sa talagang emergency at need na po yan. In my case, naranasan po namin yan, na supposed to be ay hindi pa dapat ibebenta yung isang property, but dahil sa emergency nga at wala at hindi namin nabuo sa family yung proper or tamang building o paano ibuo or how to build your strong, solid financial foundation. So yun nga po, dahil lamang sa nagkasakit ang isa sa kapamilya, ay talagang apektado po lahat. So, from now on, na dahil alam natin na ganun nga po yung mangyayari sa atin, bakit pa natin antayin na ganun ulit yung magiging practice sa family natin? So, bilang legacy na lang din po natin sa family natin, sa mga anak natin, yun nga po yung dapat ay we will be more financially educated, wherein we know how to handle our finances, how to handle our savings in a right way, and how to build a strong, solid foundation. Wala po yan sa laki or liit ng kinikita. Yun po ay nasa pamahaan or in a right way kung paano po tayo magsisave. So here in IMG, ay tinutulungan po tayo paano tayo makasave ng tama at paano makapag-ipon and how to build your strong, solid foundation. So you have to be prepared for this kind of situation. Be with a group who inspire you. When the members of your group save, they will also inspire you to save. IMG's mission is to convert people from being spenders to savers and to teach them how to save in the right way. So here in IMG, ang dami na po natulungan ni IMG na nagbago ang buhay, na talagang nabigyan ng pag-asa dahil kung nagiging spender man before, now talagang they become savers na po. And talagang ito po yung naipasa na sa bawat kapamilya, and natulungan din po yung ibang kapamilya and nabigyan ng tamang kaalaman when it comes po sa usaping financial. So how to get started here in IMG? Basic membership, join IMG amounting to 5,500 plus 500, optional lamang po yan if you want to avail the additional 50,000 insurance from Fidelity Life Insurance. So, kahalagang 5,500 lamang po ay ma-access nyo na po yung 39 benefits po natin. So, di ba, napakaganda, malaking tulong na po yan. Saan pa ba tayo hanap 5,500 with all the 39 benefits and automatic na rin po tayong shareholder or investor ng mga blue chip companies. So, and ang ating funds dito, mutual funds, are diversified in different companies. So, we have the best fund manager, and this is also the safest and most secured investment. So, here in IMG, kahalagang 5,500, automatic na po, member na po tayo, and you will be having your own portal. But if you want also to avail the advanced membership, join IMG amounting to 5,500 and own a Kaiser, the long-term healthcare. Example po yung K100 plan na nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, yung 7 years of savings lamang po, but you will be protected for the rest of your life, and you will be having your life protection and investment. Let money works for you if you live too long. So, if you want to avail the 5,882 plus 500 po yan, once lamang po yan, once for the policy. So, you will be paying 6,382. So, ayan po, just ask the person who invited you or just message me regarding about this if you really want to avail the IMG benefits and also to have your own Kaiser Savings Program. So, ito po yung mga accredited banks na IMG, the account name, International Marketing Group or IMG. Ayan, so if you want to avail, if you want to become a member, ito po yung mga bank account nila. You can have your screenshot or pwede din po na i-save na lang ninyo or hingi kayo ng copy sa mga taong nag-invite sa inyo. And so that you can access the IMG accredited banks wherein doon po tayo magde-deposit ng ating membership fee. So here in IMG, we have our IMG official Facebook account. Pwede po kayong dyan sa FB account so that you will have to explore and know more about IMG, International Marketing Group. Here in IMG ay napakalaking tulong po talaga ni IMG, hindi lamang po for me, sa akin at sa pamilya ko, kundi sa mga kaibigan at kakilala ko na nasharean ko po all about IMG. And dito po sa IMG ay talagang sulit po ang pagiging member nyo dahil lahat na po ng kailangan nating kaalaman when it comes sa financial or usaping financial ay ma-access na po natin dito lahat. And by the way, when it comes naman po sa IMG, baka sabihin ng iba dyan na scam ba yan si IMG? Okay, imagine IMG have partnership with many of the biggest companies in the financial industry. Like for example, Kaiser, MB Life, Ayala Land, SMDC, Palawan Express, and to name a few. So, sa palagay nga ba natin o sa palagay mo ba, makikipag-partner kaya ang malalaking kumpanyang ito sa isang scam? Di ba po? And, remember po, here in IMG, okay, SEC-registered nga po ang IMG when it comes sa Securities and Exchange Commission. So, you can visit po the website sec.gov.ph at doon mo makikita ang mga registered companies, and IMG registered with the SEC under registration number A200-2039-3947 as an insurance broker corporation in March 2002. So more than 19 years na po si IMG. And again, paalala lamang po, when it comes po sa healthcare natin, ay hindi po natin ito dapat tipidin or wag po nating sabihin na mahal or saka na lamang po yan dahil paano ang pamilya mo? Paano kung ikaw ang anak mo o ikaw mismo ay magkakasakit? At kahit anong estado natin sa buhay, yun nga po, dapat alalahanin natin that health is the real wealth. And here, eto nga po, we are introducing Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare na andito na po lahat, nasagot na po yung mga matagal na nating nais itanong sa self natin, what if I die too soon and what if I live too long? So here in IMG, you will be having a Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare, ipon na walang tapon, ipon na di masasayang. Again, God bless everyone. Thank you and keep safe. And this is Mary Gracie Polito Kagindangan, your financial educator here in IMG, marketing director here in IMG. Thank you so much.